Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video is about how to create inventory Excel file with steps involved. We need to create 4 Excel sheets. One is for opening balance, another for inwards, and another for outwards. Last one is closing balance. First, explain about reference number. First part is month, then serial number. Based on reference number, we can go for first in out or last in out. Date format, product ID, number, it defines as a two-wheeler, three-wheeler and car. A simple description, then quantity, then price, then multiply it to get amount. The same format of opening, just to create inwards. As it is, everything should be same. Just add one more column, balance. Third one is outwards. Again the same format. We need to create one more column which is dispatch date. Whenever it goes for out of godown or factory, we need to mention dispatch date, then need to create balance. Finally, closing. Whenever we enter inwards or outwards, it should reflect here. Before starting any formula, first thing is we need to create name range. Just start from reference number. I just give select only start of the number of the reference number, then till amount you just select it, then rename it as a opening. This is first name range. Enter. To cross verify, just again the same way do it for inverse also. Select here, change it to inverse. Enter. Same process again. Outward. Enter. The main advantage of creating name range is when we go for VLOOKUP, instead of every time freeze or fix it, need not to worry about it. Automatically, if we give the name range, it will take care of. Based on requirement, we need to go for first in, first out or last in, first out. We go for first in, first out. For that, get data from opening balance. We need to get only reference number. 19th July, just select, copy, paste. We need to get only these numbers. For that, just select reference number column, then click on data, data validation, click on list, then give source. Click OK. Now I can able to select it. Only this number should be selected. To get date, product ID, description, price, we need to get it from opening balance. For that, we have to use VLOOKUP. Bracket open. Give reference number of 204, serial number, comma, get data from opening balance. So just simply type opening, comma, date is in second column, so type 2, comma, for getting exact match 0, enter. For getting product ID, VLOOKUP reference number, opening, product ID is in column number 3. Column number 3, put 0, enter. For description, just change it to a B3, column number 4, dispatch date. Before making quantity entry, we must know how much balance is there. For that, we need to create formula for balance. Simply type VLOOKUP, again same process, lookup reference number, opening balance, then we need to check which column it is there. Quantity, it is in 5th column, enter 5, comma 0 for exact match, minus this reference of 1, so that if you put any number, automatically balance will be adjusted. So maximum I can enter is 2 quantities. For time being, I just put 1. It get adjusted. For getting price, again the same process, VLOOKUP, comma, price is in 6th column, zero, enter, multiply, this is very simple formula. If I put 2, then this should be removed. We have to get it from the opening balance, new reference number. In case of multiple entries in outwards, VLOOKUP will not work. 2, for getting information, just copy, drag it. 1, just drag it, copy paste. Here it shows properly, but in case of multiple entries, it will not work. So for that, use index SUMIFS, index bracket SUMIFS bracket quantity. Starting point needs to be freezed, end point leave it as it is as a relative reference, comma, same process for reference number also, starting point freeze, end point relative reference, then give reference, bracket close, comma 0, bracket close, enter. Just copy paste with 4, so our formula is perfect. Like this, whenever it becomes 0, we need to pull out from opening balance new reference number. Then we have to take it from inwards. Need to give new reference number 070213, date and product ID. Description you need to get it from opening balance. Same process, VLOOKUP. Just give the product ID here, then get it from opening balance. Select from product ID, give range, freeze it, number 2, 0. Price you have to fix it, depends on invoice you have to enter. Whenever entering into inwards, it needs to be added in closing balance. So just copy this reference number in closing balance. Using VLOOKUP, just get information. Just type VLOOKUP, reference number, inwards, select entire thing, freeze it. For getting date, column number 2, 0. For this, freeze it here. Product ID 3, description 4. Quantity we need to apply formula, then only it will come. For price again the same process. Formula simply quantity multiply with price. Rest of thing you just copy from opening balance. Price also can be copied. For getting quantity, we need to apply formula, get it from opening balance, add inwards less outwards. Here we have to use index SUMIFS. Using index SUMIFS formula, we need to find out quantity. First we start with 213. Just type index SUMIFS, bracket open, start with opening, select quantity, enter range, freeze, comma, reference number, freeze, comma, give reference 213, closing, same reference, bracket close, comma 0 bracket close, add inverse. We need to add inverse. Again, index SUMIFS bracket open, quantity range, freeze, comma, reference number, freeze, comma, then come to closing, reference, bracket close, comma, 0, bracket close, minus same formula, index SUMIFS quantity, freeze, comma, reference number, freeze, comma, closing, just give this reference, bracket close, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Now just drag it. Just drag this formula, simple formula, 204, let's check. It was 2 quantity, in outwards 2 is gone, so 0 balance. It is tallied. Same way 202, opening balance 5, out 4, balance 1. This is closing balance based on reference number. In case to get only product ID wise, go to inverse, use again index SUMIFS, click on closing, just select entire quantity, freeze, comma, only product ID, freeze, comma, inverse, just select product ID, bracket close, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Just copy, paste. Based on minimum requirement, we have to decide whether go for purchase, new additions. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, like it, and do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.